Hey guys, it's Sabrina from Princess Tutorials and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you like this video, make sure that you subscribe and stay tuned for the rest of this video. As you can tell, I already did my brows. So once your eyebrows look like birds, you can go ahead and set your lids with any loose powder that you have. I use the black Radiance setting powder in Banana. So the main palette that we're going to be using today is the HudaBeauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. It comes with 9 matte shades and 9 pressed glitters. Now you can buy this at HudaBeauty.com, Sephora.com, or in store at Sephora for around $65. So to start out this tutorial, I'm going to be using the color Nior from the palette. To blend out this color, I'm going to be using this Ulta Beauty blending brush, or what I assume to be a blending brush, since it doesn't really have a number. So I'm just going to pack on some of the shadow onto the brush and sweep it all across my crease. If you can't tell, I'm going in windshield wipe motions and circular motions. If you see me looking off to the side, it's because I have the palette right here. It includes a mirror, so that's really helpful. Now with the same Ulta Beauty blending brush, I'm going to go into Risque, which is a sort of muted cranberry color, and I'm going to go slightly lower than the crease. If there's too much, you can just pat it off. Oh my god, this lighting sucks. So next I'm going to be using this Anastasia dual brush that mostly comes in, I think, all of their palettes. And I'm going to go into MANEATER, but not too much, just maybe a couple taps, because I don't want this to come out too red. And I'm just going to take that and deepen up the crease just a tiny bit, making sure to go into the inner corners. Now I'm going to go into Risque and blend out that color too. So a little bit about me, just to fill you guys in. I am now a freshman at FIT, Fashion Institute of Technology, and my major is illustration. I'm really into creating my own type of art, including painting, drawing, any type of material. I'm really open to anything. And the school really brings out your techniques and what was I trying to say? Oh, the school is really open to letting you use your own style, but as long as you follow their criteria, you're destined to do well. Now using the flat end of the dual brush, I'm going to take black truffle and put it here and in the inner corner. Black is a really deep color in palettes, so it's really good not to put so much. Black is a really blendable color when it comes to makeup. Now I'm going to take the blending side and blend it up into the crease, but not too much. If it's too light of a black for you, you can always deepen it. Now I'm going to dip into black truffle on the blending side, just so I can get a little more depth. Oh, I forgot, if you wanted more in-depth or updated eyebrow tutorial, I am happy to do so. Just leave a comment down below. Now I'm gonna connect the two inner corner and outer corners together. Now back with my Ulta Beauty brush, I'm gonna go into MANEATER, pat on a little more, and then blend it all together. Next, I'm going to be using this flat-ended brush by a company called, I think it's called Mana. I'm pretty sure not many people have heard of this type of company, but I like their brushes. I'll link them down below if I can find them online. But with this brush, I'm going to go in with Risque, and I'm going to put it here and here to create a sort of ombre effect. And once you put these two colors next to Black Truffle, they create a middle shade in between, so it looks more blended together. And if it's not blending well for you, you can always go back into the black and try to get more pigment. So first things first, I just want to say that with this halo eye, you can really use any of the pressed glitters in this palette and it can transform into any different type of look you want. But for this, I'm going to use the glitter Pink Diamond, but I'm going to take that on my finger instead of a brush. And now I'm just going to place it in the middle of here, sort of where my eye is centered. Sort of like this. Now, if you want a different type of look, you can use the golds in this palette, the reds, the orange, or the sort of champagne colors. Now for my inner corner, I'm going to be using the champagne glitter called BUBBLY, and I'm going to take a little bit of that on this Sephora collection brush. It's just called the eyeshadow brush. I'm going to take that and place it in my inner corner. With the same brush, I'm going to use it to highlight my brow. You can pack as much as you want to make it as blinding as you want. Now, what I love about makeup tutorials is that you can take someone's advice to create the type of look that you're looking for, but you can also put your own style into it. Like, you can easily do this tutorial a little bit more muted so it doesn't look as dramatic, but I like dramatic makeup looks, so I'm gonna go with extreme pigment, but you can do your own choices, if that makes sense. So for my eyeliner today, I'm going to be using the Tartiest Double Take Eyeliner. This eyeliner comes with a liquid side and a pencil. So today I'm going to be using the liquid side and creating my wing. Like the shadows, you can be as dramatic as you want with your eyeliner, or you can be as subtle as your eyeliner. So let's do that right now. First, I'm going to go from here to here, or whatever you want, just to make a line as straight as possible. You can always fix it up later. So I'm just going to make a small dot right here, and a small one right there. Oh god, okay. Rough start. I can fix it later. But take whatever you want, I would say like right around here, and connect it to this side. I think that looks good. Now I'm just gonna fill in the gaps. This is my favorite eyeliner like of all time. So when I run out, it's really heartbreaking. Now I'm just going to connect it to the inner corner. So if you're wondering what concealer I used, I'm using the Maybelline Master Conceal by Face Studio Camouflaging Concealer in the color 20 Light. I bought mine at Rite Aid, I think for $4.99. Now using this concealer, I'm just gonna clean up this edge because it's looking a little bad. So I'll just put like a dot right here, put a little too much, maybe just wipe it away. I'm going to use this Studio Basics flat brush in, oh, it's just called eyeliner brush. But I'm just gonna go ahead and conceal this to fix up this wonky line. So now I'm gonna repeat this makeup on this eye, and then we'll go into the face makeup of this tutorial. So let me just do that right now. Okay, so I'm back and I finished the other eye. This one's a little bit more thicker than this one, but it's okay. Now we're gonna move on to the face. Now for face primer, we're gonna be using the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. And for foundation, we're gonna be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in the color 104 Golden Beige. Okay, so I'm just gonna like speed through the foundation and concealer part, and I'll be right back. We're going to be using the same setting powder that we use for our eyes all over our face, which is the Black Radiance setting powder. And we're just going to place that all over the face. We're making sure to leave some on so we can wipe it away later. Oh my god. I'm just going to put a little more under the eye so when we use eyeshadow with our lower lash line, we can just wipe it away. Oh, by the way, this brush is from a Sephora collection. It's the powder brush. Now, I already wiped off this dual-ended brush, but we're gonna go into Risque on the flat end brush and go under our lower lash line. After that, I'm gonna use the blending side and use a little bit of MANEATER and then black truffle along there so we can blend out the eyeliner with the lash line. So now I'm just gonna dust away all of the setting powder, including any fallout that may have fell out during application. Next, with this Sephora collection angled brush, we're going to be contouring the cheeks, the jawline, the forehead, and a little bit of my nose. So for contour today, I'm going to be using the Photobomb Powder Foundation in the color Dark. I actually cracked it a little bit when I dropped it. But we're going to be taking some of that on the angled brush and working whatever cheekbones that I have. We're going to be going in a 3 motion, which is the side of your forehead, into the cheeks, and into the jawline. And I'm going to do the same to the other side. I'm going to take this diamond sponge, take a little bit of the setting powder, and go in a straight line, bringing some of it down so it blends out. Now, while that bakes and cuts my contour, I'm going to put on some mascara and my lashes. So the mascara that I'm going to be using today is the Covergirl Lashblast Fusion. It's water resistant and I just got it. I think it was for $10. And the lashes that I'm using are in Gala. They're these really nice fluffy mink eyelashes. They're from the drugstore actually. I got them for around $7. I think I got them in, I think it was Rite Aid. I don't remember the brand. So I'm going to curl my lashes, apply this mascara, and we'll be done with today's look. Today for highlighter, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amarezzi highlighter. With this highlight, I'm also going to use a little bit of the pressed glitter color called Bubbly, just to accentuate the highlight of my makeup today. For watching, and I really hope that you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did like this makeup tutorial, make sure that you're subscribed and you like this video, and please stay tuned for so much more. I'm really hoping to upload more often now that my schedule is a little bit more freed up. Thank you. Bye.